In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to center text Notion. If you've ever tried to make a title, heading, or short line of text stand out in the middle of your Notion page, you may have noticed that Notion doesn't offer a direct center alignment button. That can feel limiting at first, especially if you're designing clean pages, dashboards, or visually balanced layouts. The good news is that there is a simple and reliable workaround built right into Notion, and once you learn it, you can use it anytime you want centered text. Let's start directly inside your Notion page. Click anywhere on the page where you want the centered text to appear so your cursor is active. From here, type /block equation. When the option appears, select it to insert an equation block. As soon as this block is added, you'll notice something important right away. Anything typed inside an equation block is automatically centered on the page. This is exactly why we're using it for this method. Now, inside the equation block, type the text or phrase you want to display. You'll see it appear neatly centered without doing anything extra. This makes equation blocks a useful trick for centered titles, short messages, or visual separators on your page. However, there's one small detail you need to be aware of when working with text inside this block. If you try to press the spacebar between words, you'll notice that the spacing doesn't behave the way normal text does. The words may appear closer together, or the spacing may not show at all. This happens because equation blocks treat spaces differently than regular text blocks. To fix this and create visible spacing between words, there's a simple solution. Instead of pressing the spacebar, type the tilde symbol between your words. Each tilde acts as a space inside the equation block. As soon as you do this, your text will display proper spacing while remaining perfectly centered on the page. You can use multiple tildes if you want slightly wider spacing, which can be helpful for stylized titles or decorative text. Once your text looks the way you want, you don't need to do anything else. The text will stay centered automatically, and you can move the block anywhere on the page, just like any other Notion block. This method works consistently and doesn't require any extra tools, extensions, or formatting tricks. That's all it takes to center text in Notion using an equation block. It's a simple technique, but it can make a big difference in how polished and organized your pages look. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.